Important codes for TECNO Camon i2. Here you can find all secret codes for TECNO Camon i2. Check out how to enter hidden mode and use advanced options of Android 8.1 Oreo. Let's get access to secret information about TECNO Camon i2. 1. Phone information. Hash number 4636 hash hash. 2. IMEI Info. Number 06 hash. 3. Calendar. Hash number 225 hash hash. 4. Debug info for Google Play service. Hash number 426 hash hash. 5. Access Google Partner Setup. Hash number 759 hash hash. 6. Engineering mode. Hash number 2486 hash hash. 1. By typing hash number 4636 hash hash you will be redirected to phone information menu. This code allows you to check information about your phone, battery stats and Wi-Fi. 1.1 Phone information. Here you can check your IMEI number, signal strength, cell info and connection type. Also, you can run ping test too. 1.2 Usage statistics. This one displays your last app usage period. 1.3 Wi-Fi information. Wi-Fi API. Here you can disable current Wi-Fi network, disconnect the connection, get information about connection and other stuff. Wi-Fi configuration. On this page, you can check information about connected network. Wi-Fi status. Read about a connected network and run ping test. 1.4 CMOS test alerts. 2. Typing this secret code number 06 hash you can easily check your IMEI number. 3. Calendar hash number 225 hash hash. Check your events in a calendar. 4. Debug info for Google Play service hash number 426 hash hash. 5. Access Google Partner Setup hash number 759 hash hash. 6. Engineering mode hash number 2486 hash hash.